This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting variables. Shut down the Dell, unplug power and all peripherals, and then power on into safe mode or BIOS to see if the ghost touch appears there. Once done, you'll know whether it's hardware or software. If the touch stops in safe mode, open Device Manager and update the HID-compliant touch driver or roll it back to the previous version. This fixes many software-caused phantom touches. Make sure to record the driver version before changing anything. Next, calibrate and refresh the driver stack to eliminate misreads. Open tablet PC settings and run the calibration routine so the OS maps touches correctly. If calibration fails, uninstall HID-compliant touch devices in Device Manager and reboot. Windows will redetect them and often remove corrupted entries. Then download and install the latest touchscreen or touchpad drivers from Dell support for your exact model. These steps resolve mismatched firmware or driver glitches that commonly cause ghost touch. For persistent ghosting, move to hardware verification. Check the bezel, hinges, and screen for pressure points, corrosion, or fluid. These physically trigger the sensor. If comfortable, power down, remove the bottom cover, and carefully reseat the display's LVDS/EDP connector. Loose contacts cause erratic input. Once done, test with an external monitor to isolate touchscreen versus GPU issues. If the problem remains, consider panel replacement or contact Dell support. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the ghost touch in BIOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.